So folks, just look at the information sign here one more time, and we be heading out of Bloody Bay Rainforest back to Roxborough. Yeah, we'll check it out. So this will be part 2 on early morning drive through Bloody Bay Rainforest. Yeah, so this would be part 2. So let's just take a little view around again and head out. Yeah, so we're still at Shoreland Park, still looking around a little, and here we're heading out now. Heading out of Bloody Bay Rainforest now. Cool and nice, heading out now. So let's do this. What we didn't see coming in, we should see going out, right? So let's focus and see what we didn't see when we're coming in, and there might be something exciting that we see going out. So as I said, this is part 2 of early morning drive through Bloody Bay Rainforest today. Yeah. As you can see now, the sun is coming up, but it's still cool, a little chill in the air. You know, the sun is coming up now. We're driving towards the sun, you know, so it's all good, nice and green. Seemed like rain fell not too long ago. Yeah, early morning. So we continue heading out of Bloody Bay Rainforest. Yeah, and here I could see a walker sweeping the street. And that's Shoreland. That is Shoreland. Hello. Yes. That was Shoreland, the native girl, man. Yeah, I didn't see her when I was going in. You know? Yeah, and that's her new vehicle there. Wow. Yeah, people. So that's Shoreland's the native girl. She's the owner of Shoreland's Nature Park. Yeah. So we continue rolling. Alright. Coming up to another set of workers here again. Yeah, I guess they have finished their task. So here 2 guys here. Yeah. And we heading out. And here we come right back to the Bloody Bay lookout point. Yeah. It was there before, and we continue going. Alright. And here we approach my running point, that white landmark that we passed there. That's where I usually start running, going out of the rainforest. Yeah, so that's the 10 mile post there, and I will go to 5.5 mile post. and back to that 10-mile course. Yeah. Nice and green on the both sides. All the trees is green. The breeze is so cool and nice, quiet. Yeah. Smooth, no traffic, no nothing. Yeah. All greenery, all greenery. Oh yeah. Body Bay Rainforest to be. Yeah. All nature. Yep. Look at the view of the range over there. And we're going down a little slope now. And look at how the tree make like a tunnel there. That's a tree tunnel there. Yeah. Just past one trail on my right there. Yeah. One forest trail on my right there. I didn't see the name, but that's one we just passed. Yep. I'm heading out. Yes, on my left. That's the first ranger point there that the forest rangers point, where they do all the resting and all the planning, everything right there on my left. Yeah, so that's like the forest rangers shed there, and we continue going out. Just past a guy, he might be one of the forest rangers there. Yeah. A guy on the left with the car. Yeah. We're approaching a nice little bridge here. And as you could see, folks, that was a newly built bridge on my right there that we passed. And it didn't last. When it finished, about a month after it sunk. Yeah. So we're approaching another bridge. And right on my left there's a next spring water depot below this bridge here too. Yeah. This is downhill now, and all this is the way to my 5-mile post, running post. So all this is the way to the 5.5 mile post. So all down slope now, and soon we're gonna approach the spring water place down here, where I fill up my 2 bottles. That's actually one of the most popular spring water place here. Most people know this one, and that's where most people come and get their spring water. Yeah. Some people doesn't even buy bottled water. They come right here and get all their drinking water from this spring. That's the spring water depot on my right there. We just passed it. Yeah, just passed it. Here's the next trail. Yes, next forest trail on my right there. So we just passed the popular spring water place there. And we continue heading out. Yeah. Nice smooth ride heading out of Bloody Berry Forest. All green, quiet, smooth. Yeah. So some parts you could see the range all foggy. Yeah, as you can see in front there. Forest range all foggy. Yep. It's always foggy in here. Yeah, especially early in the morning. Yeah. Continue heading out of Bloody Berry Forest, part 2. Yeah. The vine tree. Those are vines you could actually swing on them. Yeah, the tree grow that vine. It's like rope, all 100 feet from the top of the tree, and you could actually swing on them. Sometime when I used to come here, I used to swing on them. They're all strong. You could use them as rope. Yeah. Oh yeah. That was my 5-mile post we just passed there. Yeah, it's my 5-mile post, running post that I just passed there. Yeah. So the next mile post is 5.5, and that's where I would turn back and go back to the 10-mile post, back into Bloody Berry Forest. Yeah. Yeah, so we continue heading out a Bloody Bay Rainforest, heading to Roxborough. Bypass to maybe we might go into Roxborough Estate and come back to the Roxborough Main Road. When we get there, we'll see how we feel, you know. So that's what we're doing right now, heading out. Early morning forest vibes. Early morning forest vibes. Bloody Bay forest vibes. Yeah. Approaching a little rough area down here. Not too bad, but you had to slow down a lot because one time this road was a bit collapsed. So it's now back to where it should be, but it's drivable. Yeah. Right there we just passed, that was another spring area there, spring water area there, which dried up. I noticed like a few of the spring water area has been dried up for some reason, I don't know, but I checked about 4 of them so far dried up. A couple years ago they was flowing heavy, now there's no water there. Yeah. So folks, we passed my 5.5 mile post there just now. I didn't even realize I passed it. So that's where I would have stopped and head back into the forest. Yeah, we passed it. As you notice, we haven't run into one vehicle as yet. You notice that we've been driving a while now and we haven't run into no moving vehicle as yet. Yeah. Yeah, I'm approaching 2 road workers here. Yeah, early morning worker. Yes, they clean all this side here and this is their vehicle down here. Yeah. So those are the guys who keep the forest clean early morning. While we sleeping, they're cutting bushes up here. Yeah. Wait, what's going on here? Is that a hawk with an iguana in his mouth? Whoa, this hawk just... Wait, look at that. A hawk with an iguana, he just picked him up off the street, the roadway here. Well, let's check on him. That's a big hawk. I pulled up just in time to save this iguana. Look at this. Wow, he's coming to me now. Let me go park and see if I could help him out. Now the hawk just flew away there, but we gotta watch him because these hawks have tendency to come back, tap back. So I gotta look out for him, but I'm gonna try to save this iguana, man. Let me go pull aside and come back. Yeah, look at him. Oh, now he's candle flashing next to that green moss there. He's all weak, he's all beaten up, like the hawk beat him up. And he just had him in the air, gonna fly away with him and eat him up. Yeah, and he looked like she's pregnant too. Yeah, he looking for help, you know, because he's weak. So I'm gonna hang out here with him and keep an eye on the hawk to make sure he leave before I leave. You're not gonna eat him today, you know. Wow, I don't know if you saw him with him in his mouth in the air, just ready to fly away. Let me see where he is. Let me check on this tree to see if he's hanging out around still. Yeah, let me see. Oh, he's here. He's there. He's waiting. I know. Let me see. Let me try to scroll along a bit. Oh, you see him? He's waiting. He's watching me. He know I have to leave, so he's waiting for me to leave, and he's gonna come back and attack the iguana again. But I'm gonna hang out here, buddy. Yeah. Back to the iguana again. If I had a bag with me, here he's watching. If I had a bag with me, I would have thrown him in the bag and I would have taken him about a mile away and release him. But I don't want to hold him because he might slap me with the tail, you know what I'm saying? Let me check on the hawk again. Wow. Ain't that something? It's a big iguana too. Yeah, it's a big one. Let me check on him again. When he leave, then I'll leave. Yeah. Oh, you see him? He's still watching. He's still there. He's still there. Wow. He picks up cats, dog, chicken, rabbit, anything, man. Big animal he picks up too. Yeah. We call them chicken hawk. Yeah, so folks, he just left. And I make sure the iguana went back into the wild there, and I hope he's safe. Yeah. Wow, that's something. That's a big iguana, man. Long ago, you know where that would have been going. Call the boys, tell them we listen, light the fire. But no, I can't do that now. Yeah, folks, so we continue. That was a great adventure there. Seeing the hawk having the iguana for his prey there. Just lift him off the road surface there, man. Lift him, ready to fly away with him. Yep, just came in time. Oh yeah. So we continue heading out of Bloody Bay Rainforest. Yeah, heading to Roxborough. Yeah. I wonder why I keep saying him. It's a she. Because she look pregnant. She look like she had eggs in her. I keep saying him. Him, I believe him is the hawk. And the iguana is the she. Yeah? So just making some correction on that. I believe the hawk is a he and the iguana is a she, because the iguana belly is big, like she has eggs in them. So at this time when they are eggs, they're very slow. They can't run as they usually do. Yeah. So that hawk would have had eggs. He would have a iguana, a meal, big meal, bro. Yeah. Folks, we are approaching back into Roxborough. So this is Roxborough Estate area on my right and left. So we actually out of the rainforest now and entering into Roxborough Estate. And that building across on my left, that's the Cocoa Estate Copra House. Yeah, we call it the fermentary. We do all the processing of the cocoa. So we heading out now into Roxborough towards the Roxborough High School, Roxborough Secondary School. Yes. So as you can see, we're approaching some guys here, workers again, and we're heading out. Yeah, so this is still the main road heading out and in into Bloody Bay Rainforest. Yes, so we heading out into Roxborough now. This is the main road to go into the rainforest. One way in, one way out on this end. Yeah, and around the corner we be approaching the Roxborough Secondary School. Right around somewhere coming up. Yeah, it would be on our left hand side. Yeah, so as you can see, a little rain fell not too long ago. Yeah, now you could see resident on my right, resident on my left. Yeah, and here is Roxborough Secondary School on my left here. Yeah, Roxborough Secondary School, and you can see cocoa field on my right here. Yeah, so we're gonna enter now. We could go straight and go to Roxborough Main Road, or we could go right, which I'm gonna go right. We're gonna go right into Roxborough Cocoa Estate road here. Going to the estate road, and here is some guys here. I know one of them, two of them. What's up, fellas? Yeah, man. Yeah. Yes. All right, brother. Take it easy. So here is the CPEP building there on my right. I'm heading into Roxborough Estate Road. Yeah. Here's the Roxborough Estate Copra House. Copra and Cocoa House there. Yeah. And here is some runners. Like this was their finish line. Yeah, early morning runners. Yeah. They either be firemen or army guys. One of them. So we continue going out, and we are approaching the banana farm on my right here. There's banana and planting farm on my right here. On the left is the hospital, the back of the hospital, but you couldn't see. So approaching, as you see on my right and left, Roxborough Estate, banana farm. Right and left. Yeah, right and left. Banana farm. Yeah, and we be approaching the fall. Yes, we just passed the waterfall entrance. Let me back up a bit and show you. Waterfall registration building up there. Yeah, and the other building used to be the fire service temporary building, the white one, but they're no longer there. They're out on the main road now in the new building. So I'm gonna turn left, and this will take me right into the junction of Argyle and Roxborough main road. So we're going through the Cocoa Estate still. So on my right and left is Cocoa Estate, and it seems like the only Cocoa Estate functioning keeping the windward here. This is well taken care of, left and right. So this is the only one I see around. Let me give a view around again in Coco Estate. This is the only one I see. So we continue heading out, getting close to the junction. Here 2 workers, one have a long spliff in his mouth. I guess he finished working. Yeah. 2 school kids ahead of us here, going to school early morning. Yeah. No rush. Yeah. And we almost approaching Roxborough Main Road. Yeah. Yes, and we're approaching now on my right, Strictly Tobago. A nice fruit stand on my right here, early morning. And here, yes, as you can see, Strictly Tobago fruits, fresh fruits. I have to get some of these now. Cool cane juice. So I'm gonna pull over, yeah, and maybe get a papaya or 2, and I'm gonna get a cane juice. Oh yeah, all natural product. Yep, so I end up with my cane juice, put my stuff in my bag. Yeah, so folks, yes, the cane juice is good. It's good. Yeah, so folks, that was a good run through Bloody Bay Rainforest. I'm right in front, Strictly Tobago. Get my stuff. And we'll call this a wrap on this one. So stay tuned, folks, and catch me on the next one. Yep, don't forget to get your fruits at Strictly Tobago.